Welcome to the Guide for Fix Metadata on Mac with new Wondershare UniConverter version 12. Step 1. Go to the Toolbox window and click Fix Metadata. Step 2. Click Browse next to the Choose File field and select and import a media file with incorrect metadata. Step 3. Populate all the fields on the Fix Metadata box with the correct information. Step 4. Change the thumbnail of the media file by dragging and dropping an image from your PC to the thumbnail window. Step 5. Click Save to add the correct metadata to the media file. Step 6. Alternatively, go to the Video Converter window, add a media file, click the information icon, add the correct information in the Fix Media Metadata box, and click Save for quick metadata fixing before conversion.